whole new level. Pod bed combines a lot of furniture, so it has advanced functionality. The upper level is used in a traditional way as a bed. The lower level, though, can be transformed according to the owner's wishes. It can be another bed, or become a gaming area with a small sofa and a game console. The compartment is so spacious that it can even accommodate a gaming chair. Finally, the developers have not wasted space with the traditional frame either. They have also modified this part of the construction so that it can be used as a closet. There are several shelves and even a clothes rail. The LED strip under the table is an added bonus. This multifunctional station will cost you about $1,500. Kitchen K6. A kitchen doesn't have to take up an entire room. To prove it, the Swiss brand Kitchen has created K6, an ingenious and compact kitchen. It's just 4.1 feet long. When the doors are open, the space it occupies is only 16 square feet. However, the few doors conceal a sink, a stove, a dishwasher, a small refrigerator, cabinets, and an all-purpose worktop. This kitchen will not meet the needs of a large family, but it's perfect for a studio or an office. Drop top. By today's standards, a good piece of furniture is one that creates a minimum of visual noise, stands out for its functionality, and also blends perfectly into the interior. And the next product in our video fits all three of these requirements. At first glance, drop top is just a painting on the wall. However, a closer look reveals that the canvas is a folding tabletop, behind which hides a workstation. Drop top's construction is simple but full of detail. The wooden frame is divided into large capacity compartments. The monitors are located in the upper compartments. The lower compartments can be used any way you want. The laptop is connected to the monitors via a single cable that's already built into the construction. The work surface has a length of 47 inches and a width of 26 inches. Despite the relatively small number of support points, it is stable and robust and can support the weight of an adult. In addition, the painting, which masks the workstation while it's not in use, can have absolutely any design, matching the taste of its owner. The price ranges from $540 to $1,645, depending on the model chosen. All is this. A large number of customization options. That's what makes the next piece of furniture we're going to talk about stand out from the competition. This is another transforming piece of furniture that combines several functions at once. Each version consists of two elements. The first is a floor module, which looks like a sofa or a pair of armchairs. The second part is a wall module that hides one or two beds. The surrounding frame is suitable for storage and can be equipped with open or closed shelves. And as we've already said, the manufacturer offers a variety of designs. For example, the sofa can be transformed into a double bed or can be lengthened. The armchairs transform into one or two beds, placed parallel to each other. And of course, materials, finishing options, and even color combinations depend on the customer's choice. The manufacturer is the Russian company Alxr, which holds 54 patents thanks to its developments. Junior Giant Revolution. No matter how many people you invite for dinner, rest assured that you won't be short of space with this table, and it won't take up any more space than necessary under any circumstances. That's because it's another transforming table. This time you can change the length of the surface, and consequently its capacity. The secret of the design lies in the sliding base. With a slight effort, the distance between the table legs changes. The empty space is covered with special panels. The maximum capacity of this table is 12 people. In this case, its length is 108 inches. In its most compact position, the table has a length of only 17.3 inches. It can also be supplemented with a folding bench or folding chairs. Its price is about $2,000. Pod Time. This construction is not a piece of furniture in the usual sense of the word. Pod Time is a privacy capsule designed for offices and busy workplaces. It's there so that employees, as well as the company, can benefit from power naps. Scientists have proven that a short 10 to 20 minute nap in the middle of the day allows a person to recharge and greatly increase productivity. Productivity increases to such an extent that the minutes lost to sleep are fully compensated for. Pod Time can also be installed in airports, train stations, and hostels for travelers to rest. The capsule hides the user and blocks outside sounds. Inside there are hooks for clothes, a lighting system, a music player, a small screen, and sockets. Modular micro apartment. The inspiration for the creation of this unusual residential complex were Japanese houses with a large number of folding origami-like panels, and the final construction reflects these details. The 365 square foot apartment has an impressive functionality, as all of its horizontal surfaces are pieces of furniture. Movable panels transform the space, dividing the room into different zones. The bed is placed on a platform to save space, and the interior space is used as storage. Italian design studio Alxr was in charge of the project. The apartment is located in the heart of Milan in the Brera district. Christy Murphy bed. The American company WW Bed's custom furniture has developed a truly gigantic furniture set. However, despite its size, it can still fit into a single room. And besides, it provides its owner with almost all the furniture necessary for comfortable living. The folding dining table works similarly to that of another product we've already shown you, except that it folds into another module, which is actually a double bed. The side pieces are a closet, a daybed, and also a desk. When the bed and the table are removed, the furniture is distributed along the walls of the room so that there's free space in the center. Open Up. The Brazilian brand Open Up has developed a solution to transform the space and at the same time enrich it significantly. It is folding dining room furniture with a very interesting design. All the pieces, both the table and the benches, fold like an accordion to take up less space. Then they're attached to the module, and from the side it looks like a decorative wooden panel. This furniture allows you not to worry about the number of guests, but at the same time to effectively save space. The manufacturer offers a variety of models. This particular one costs $420. Crini furniture. And here's a piece of furniture that can replace 3 others at once. At first, Crini furniture specialists set out to create a folding bed, but in the end, they made something much bigger. This piece of furniture can offer you from 1 to 3 seats, so it can be a single-seater, a 2-seater sofa, a 3-seater sofa, and a bed. It all depends on what you need at any given time. By the way, pay attention to the low height of the construction. Thanks to it, if necessary, the seat can be placed under the table so that it doesn't interfere at all. The price starts from $187.